Why do basketballs bounce? Why do eggs not? Okay, picture this. You walk into the gym ready to shoot some hoops. There in the middle of the court, a basketball lies on the floor. You walk over and pick it up, ready to dribble to the basket. You drop it on the floor, where, oh no, instead of bouncing, it cracks and splatters in an oozing mess all over the once shiny gym floor. Boy, is coach going to be mad at you. What's that? It wouldn't happen? Why not? Why does a basketball bounce instead of splattering like a raw egg? It's all about energy. Basketballs and eggs handle energy differently. Energy is the ability to do work. When you pick up a basketball or an egg, you transfer energy to it. As long as you hold it, the ball or the egg has potential energy. That means it has the potential to do something. For example, it could fall to the floor. When you drop it, that potential energy changes into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. When the basketball hits the floor, here's the part that's different from the egg. It stores energy as the ball dents slightly. For the brief moment, the ball has potential energy again. The molecules in the rubber stretch and bend, storing energy. Then the molecules go back to their original shape. The potential energy becomes kinetic energy again. The ball bounces upwards. The egg, of course, is different. Eggshell is not made of stretchy, bendy molecules that store energy. When the egg hits the floor, it smashes and breaks. Now let's talk about the floor. What do you think happens to the floor when the basketball hits it? I'll give you a hint. It's a lot like what happens to the ball. The floor dents very slightly, storing energy for a brief moment. Then it goes back to its original shape. Most of the energy returns to the ball. But what do you think would happen if the gym floor were covered in grass and soil, like a football field? Would it change the way the basketball bounces? Of course it would. Grass and soil don't return to their original shape as well as wood does. Some of the grass would even be smashed like an eggshell. So a good part of the energy when the basketball's bounce would be transferred to the grass and soil. As a result, the ball wouldn't bounce as high as it would on a gym floor. Okay, now picture this. You walk into the tennis court, your racket in hand. You throw the ball in the air and swing the racket up for a powerful serve, when oh no, instead of shooting across the net, the ball splatters your racket, your arms, and your hair with yucky tennis ball guts. What's that? It wouldn't happen? Why not? Energy.